Okay, we're going to have a think about some triangles. And one fact that you've probably remembered for a long time is that the interior angles, the inside of angles of a triangle, add up to or sum to 180 degrees. I want to demonstrate why that might be true. We know that the angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. I want to use this diagram to relate those two facts, the angles on a triangle and the angles on a straight line. Using alternate angles, I can see that this angle and this angle are going to be the same. I can draw my Z shape to help me see that. And equally, I can see that this angle and this angle are going to be the same. Again, I can draw my shape to help me see that. So these three angles, the orange, the green and the pink, are the angles on a straight line, which add up to 180 degrees, a fact that we've stated and that we know. But here we can see that the three angles in a triangle are exactly the same size as those three angles on a straight line. So we can say with confidence that the angles inside a triangle sum to or add up to 180 degrees. Well, how can we use those facts to be able to answer a typical examination question? Well, let's have a look. We have one over here. It says find the size of the angle X here in this triangle ABC, giving reasons for your answer. We want to give reasons for each stage. So I'm told this exterior angle is 115 degrees and that this interior angle is 75 degrees. So the first thing I'm going to do is ignore everything up here and just focus on this bottom corner here. And I can see, well, if that's 115 degrees, then this is going to be 65 degrees. Why? Because the angles on a straight line add up to 180, and 180 take 115 equals 65. So I can say angle BCA or ACB, BCA, as long as the vertex is in the center, it doesn't matter how we name it, equals 65 degrees. Why? Because angles on a straight line sum to or add up to 180 degrees. We haven't quite found X yet, but we do have a triangle now where we know two of the interior angles. And we do remember that the angles of a triangle sum to 180 degrees. So that means 75 plus 65 plus X must be 180. So to find X, I'm going to do 180, take away 75, take away 65, which is 40 degrees. So I can say angle X, which is BAC or CAB. So BAC, angle BAC equals 40 degrees. Why? Because the interior angles, or the angles in a triangle, sum to or add up to 180 degrees. When we answer any question like this, it's important not only that we know how to do each step, but that we give evidence for it. So let's make sure we do that.
Okay, Mary, so let's have a look at this one. So solve x plus 2x equals 12. So what do you think you do first?
Okay, well, I want x on its own, so I would put x equals 12 minus 2x.
Okay, so a lot of the time we want to get x by itself, but what we want to do first is get all of these x's together. So can you see anything we can do with this? Get all these together in one place.
Oh, okay, it's 3x, isn't it?
Yeah,
so
absolutely.
3x equals 12. Oh, and so x equals 4.
Brilliant, spot on, well done.